Hello, and welcome back to Villa Oliva. So look at that, our driving force. Actually, someone suggested a while back that we should put like a scale on Pinky so we know how much it has carried around over his lifetime building the villa. I think that's a great idea. A bit unfeasible for now because I've got so many things going on, but otherwise that would have been quite a nice add-on. So compost wise, I think we're done. It is quite a bit of compost, but obviously we do need quite a bit, and this was surprisingly the cheapest kind we could find. But so what we'll do next is we're gonna mix this compost with the clay that I've broken up, wrecked loose in the beds that I made, and then we can start planting some stuff. dit hoeft hier ook, duidelijk te zien, wij zijn hierbij. Wel dit hakken, zo, hier erin. So the beds are prepared for this phase. Now the hard thing is deciding what goes in, because as I've shown before, I've got quite a lot of seeds, quite a lot of plants. But if you missed it, I'll show you again how much I have. So for sure, I want to start with these potatoes. I've got six, maybe 7 types of potatoes. I've got some more onions. There's so many onions. Okay, honestly, this is too much already. But I've got way more. So we got these packets of seeds, which we already started planting back when Lyanne was here, in these thingies right there, right? These covers. So that's that. Then I've got some more beans I want to plant. Oh, I just have too much to show, really. I need to make a selection. I mean, this box is full of seeds as well. I need to make a selection of what to plant where, and then I'll start planting. But I have to admit, my enthusiasm got the best of me here. But this is all just so exciting. I really want to plant everything. I literally don't have the time to prepare the beds, to plant everything in time. That's it, 24 hours just isn't enough. Oh well. So we've got a few different types. We got 5 different types. We got the camel potatoes. We got the agria, the primura, agata, and colomba. So 5 different types. I know there's a lot of potatoes, but I really want to get them into the ground and see what happens. I know the spacing isn't optimal. There should be way more space and also more depth, but maybe I'll put some soil on top of it to help them with the space that they do need. But at least for now, this is a test, so let's see what happens. Alright, so a lot of onions. Gonna try to focus on the red ones here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna interplant them with carrots. So what I'm gonna do is put an onion row there, then carrots, then onions, then carrots, then onions, then carrots, etc. For I don't know how far, but we'll see. Glass everywhere.